Where should we begin? Oh, I found my glasses. I was looking for them. Thank God Caroline brought them back from the party. Otherwise, I'd be wearing these, and these are just like fake bifocals. Look like sunglasses. First things first. Flyers in the newspaper, right? I don't want to show you the name on it because it wouldn't be fair to advertise for somebody else, although sometimes I do. Do you know how much of this paper I get every single week? There's a minimum of 3 pounds of paper. There's 12 blocks in here. They leave 12. 36 pounds. In Quebec alone, there's over 1 million houses, businesses. 1 million is 3 million pounds times 52 is 150 million pounds of paper that I can go online and look at these advertising. You know that? I can go online. They can put it in so many more places they don't need to put it on paper. But they do, because we go for it. So they chop down our trees. Chop, chop, chop. CH, creation heaven. OP, 15. And 16, 31. Alternate current. That's okay. Right out of the trees, we get the alternate current. The sun and the moon. The sun and the moon. What is this? Why am I fooling around? Because I always do. The sun and the moon. 3 parts. It's reflective. Inside is the water that boils. It boils. The water boils. It causes white raft. White raft, Colorado. Colorado mountains. Mountains equal to nuclear. Why? Look at the Budweiser bow tie and stand that straight up and down. That's the way the body of a woman is made. The body, the hourglass. The moon and the sun. One piece. But this is the black sun. What is it? It's a mirror. The sun comes and it shines. It shines on this and it reflects it. And we see this sun. Why do we see sunspots? Because of mirrors and reflections. Water boils, white water, white boil. Sending down the silver spirit. Where's the silver? Look into my eyes. Black glasses, all we see is the color of light. The silver is in the water that flows, the moving silver. What is the value of silver? What is the value and understanding of current? Currency. Electric blue. That's really all I have to say. Is the moon is the backside of the sun. They heat it, they boil it, they reflect the real sun. Why do I say this? Because 1 and 3 is right over here in my dice. Here's the 3, the 1 is in the center. The 3 is red. Is that not correct? If the 3 is red, then why is the 1 yellow? The 1 is yellow because when we play pool, the 1 and 9 is yellow, equaling to 10, or how about equaling to 8? The 3 is red. The 3 plus the 11 ball equals to 14. 11 minus 3 is 8, the divided heavens, because the 1 is dividing between the 2. The 6 shows half, shows center half, and shows side to side half. This is the circumference. Diagonal, 360 degrees. Interdimensional. Why do I call it? Because energy, 2 sides. 2 sides. The total numbers, on one side is 38, the other side is 37. 3 and 8, creation heaven. 3 and 7, the created gateways, the borderlines, Suez Canal, Panama Canal, and anything that brings it to another level, because the earth is flat. It's like this. See this? It's flat. But let's do it this way. It's flat. Separated. And then you put it on an angle just like your blinds. You open it up, the sun comes in. You turn the mirror, reflects the moon. Oh my God. They show the people the moon in the middle of the day over here, and they show the sun over here. But we have a reflection on the sun. We don't have that reflection exactly the same on the moon, because the sun and the moon are the same. It's just a mirror. Waters that boil. Raphael, 70 to 86 in a constellation of Pegasus. Is everything I say true? It's true to my mind. It's collected. Einstein said relative. He says everything is put together by pieces and parts. Therefore, when we speak about pi, any number in pi, 147 equals 333. 258 equals 666, and 369 equals to 999. 369 is all nines. If we multiply 3 times any number and add it back up to the single digit, it will become 3, 6, and 9. If we multiply it by 4, 4 by 1 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16, 1 and 6 is 7. 4 times 7 is 28, 2 and 8 is 1. 2 and 8 is 1, 4 by 4 is 7, and 4, 1, 4, 7 the same. Now, if we multiply 258 by 4, again, 4 by 2 is back to 8. 4 by 5 is 20, now it's to 2. 4 by 8 is 32, and it's 5. 2, 5, 8 is the same. So 4 brings it back to the same. Now, we're going to work on the last one, and it's 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 1 and 2 is 3. 4 by 6 is 24. 2 and 4 is 6. 4 times 9 is 36. 3 and 6 is 9. 3 and 4, DC, brings everything back to the same number. Let's multiply it by 1. It all stays the same. Therefore, 1 and 4 are the same, and are on the left side. And are on the left side. We multiply everything by 5. Everything becomes half. 5 by 7 is 35. 3 and 5 is 8. 5 by 4 is 20. Becomes 2. 5 by 1 is 5, becomes 2, 5, and 8. 5 by 8 is 40, becomes 4. 5 by 5 is 25, becomes 7. 5 by 2 becomes 10, becomes 1. 5 by 9 is 45, 9. 5 by 6 is 33. 5 by 3 is 15, 6. We did 2, we did 4, we did 3. Now we're going to do 6. 6 by 1 is 6, 6 by 4 is 24 is 6, 6 by 7 is 42 is 6, 6 by 8 is 48, 4 and 8 is 12, 1 and 2 is 3, 6 by 5 is 30 is 3, 6 by 2 is 12 is 3, 6 by 9, 54, 9, 6 times 6, 36, 9, 6 times 3, 18, 9. 7. 7 times 7, 49, 4 and 9 is 13, 1 and 3 is 4. 7 by 4 is 28, 2 and 8 is 1. 7 by 1 is 7, everything remains the same. 7 by 8, 56 becomes 2. 7 by 5, 35, 3 and 5 is 8. 7 by 2 is 14, 1 and 4 is 5. Everything becomes here. 7 by 3 is 21, 2 and 1 is 3. 7 by 6 is 42, 2 and 4 is 6. 7 by 9 is 63, 6 and 3 is 9. 8. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 4 is 32 is 5. 8 by 7, 56, 5 and 6, 11, 1 and 1 is 2. 9. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 by 4 is 36, 3 and 6 is 9. 9 times 7 is 63. Reversed. 4 and 7. Christ of time. 63 equals 9. 9 by 2 is 18, becomes 9. 9 by 5 is 45. 4 and 5 is 9. 9 by 8 is 72. 7 and 2 is 9. 9 by 3 is 27, 2 and 7 is 9, 9 times 6 is 54, 5 and 4 is 9, 9 times 9 is 81, 8 and 1 is 9. So the system is perfect. It's all relative, and it's all perfect. Raphael, 72, 86, in the constellation of Pegasus. Today is the day to go to Wilson Falls. Wilson, then it's the menace. I have to put that in my mind and work on it. It's a great rapid that runs on down, and it rolls, and it rolls, and it rolls. And as it rolls above ground, it brings the sentiment, or the settlement, above the ground. What is one thing I'd like to bring back up is the raccoon creation, 2 circles and N being the passage. Tear or terra means to rip apart. 18, 9, 16. 18 and 16 is DC. 34 becomes 43. 9 and 9 is 18, and 7 is 25, creating 1/4 of. This came out of the movie I saw. Terra is the earth, to rip apart the earth. Orb, what is the orb? Well, if you go O-R-B, B-R-O, it actually says brother, or the gold of Venus. 0, 2 becomes 8, becomes the gold between the two, because we smash the gold, and it becomes 1. And we don't know the difference because it's pliable. The other thing is sanctuary. We saw sanctuary in Logan's Run. We hear sanctuary very often. Now, what is sanctuary? Well, if I was French and somebody said half a word, sank, it would mean 5. It would mean the passage. Sanctuary is the passage of life. Sank 2, 5, 2, Aries. 5, 2, Aries. 25, 6, 25 of the Mayan, and they're saying 5, 2, Aries. Now, I'm not quite sure what that says yet in my mind. It's got to jiggle around a bit. Maybe I'll have to wait a day. Maybe I'll have to eat some spices before I go, whoa, what a spice, and I'll go, right. 5 and 2 is a quarter. The same thing as 1 and 4. 1 and 4 and 5 and 2 are the same. 1 and 4 makes up 5, and 0.25 is a quarter. Raphael, 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus, 2 and 5's in the center, quarters on the left. Half is this way when you join the 2. You get a quarter here, you get a quarter here, you go this way, you got half. Here's another half. Here's another half. 4 is half of 8. 8 is 2 times 4. 4 is 2 times this. 2 is 3 times this, 1/3. Here's your 1/3 between the 2. It's all relevant because it's all reality, and it's all in the numbers. Count your numbers, understand your math, and it's all ABC 1, 2, 3. Jack in the box is number 5 out of the hole. Thank you for watching.